Welcome to our channel, and today we are come to Kashmir and we are come to the most beautiful scenic place of Kashmir, Gulmarg. Gulmarg means the meadows of flowers. High up there, if you can see, we will be reaching high up there on the mountain. We'll be traveling by the gondola ride. First phase 1 and then phase 2. So we are going to have a lot of fun. So join us there. Bye. The distance from the parking lot till the gondola ticket counter is less than 1 kilometer. See, you can either go there by horse or by the private jeep, but we preferred walking. Just one big advice, book your tickets online 1 month prior to your trip. Tickets are not so easily available. You have to keep a track on the dates of when the ticket counter online opens. Then book your tickets for both phase 1 and phase 2 separately. The tickets get sold out so fast, so you have to be very alert while booking the tickets. Be quick. We were very lucky to get tickets for both the phases. And this is the entry for the phase 1. Once the tickets are checked, you get to enter in. These are your cable cars. And this will take you to phase 1 of the gondola ride. Each cable car can accommodate just 6 people. We paid 800 per person for phase 1 and 1000 for phase 2. So in all, for each person we paid 1800. Kindly check in the description below. I'll be putting up the link where you can go and book the tickets online. Not everybody is lucky enough to get the tickets for both phase 1 and phase 2. And what can I say? All of us got tickets right till phase 2. So we were damn lucky. Another tip, get printouts of your tickets and keep it handy. So when you're checking that, there'll be tickets checked at the phase 1 counter as well as the phase 2 counter. So you can keep your tickets available. Many people who don't get the tickets, they have to trek it out. So you either trek it, you can go trekking, or you can go by the horse. So that's another way also, another option also. Your day early, because the gondola ride timings are from 10 a.m. till 4 and they close at 3 p.m. sharp. So start your day early and come to Gulmarg, and from Gulmarg till phase 1, it will hardly take you, say, less than 10 minutes also. This is phase 1. We still have to go high up there, but just look at this beauty. Snow covered mountains, pine trees, and right up there we have to reach the second phase. There's a very pretty restaurant here. You can stop here and have a small snack before you go ahead and enjoy the little snow games and rides at the phase 1. Another small advice is that you have to be very good in bargaining, because they will charge you such high amounts for sledging or any of these snow games. So be very good in bargaining. ठंडा ठंडा मौसम में गरम गरम मैगी is a different experience altogether. So a must try. We were here in the month of May and there's very little snow, as you can see in phase 1. So spend a little time here and then go ahead for phase 2. After all this masti, it's now time to go to the phase 2. And here again, we have to go by the cable car. So here's the ticket checked. And here we are entering into our cable car.
Hello, couple. This couple.
Just look outside of the window and you will be mesmerized by this beautiful scenery all around you. Thick white snow. It will take you straight to any Bollywood scenes. Oh my god, it's heaven on earth. We've reached phase 2. Pure heaven. Everywhere that you see, white snow. इसीलिए तो कहते हैं अगर कहीं जन्नत है तो कश्मीर में ही है. Wow, paradise on earth. You must come. No words can describe the beauty of this place. I was like a little child just lost in the snow and I was enjoying myself, not worried about anybody else. Our children enjoyed playing in the snow. No fancy games or activities or expensive activities. Just let them be themselves in the snow. And देखते Gulmarg will be etched in our hearts and minds as one of the most beautiful places on earth. If you're here, please don't forget to click amazing photographs for your lifetime memory. Please do like, share and comment below. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.